In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in Prezi using a simple text box background fill trick. This is a quick and effective way to make important words stand out, draw attention to key points, and give your presentation a more polished, visually engaging look. If you're creating a lesson, business pitch, training slide, or any Prezi project where you want one section to pop, this method is going to be really useful. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the slide or section where you want to highlight some text. Now click once on the text box that you want to emphasize. Make sure the text box is selected properly because this is what gives you access to the formatting options you need. Once it's selected, look at the context property toolbar at the top of your editor screen. This toolbar changes based on what you click, so when you select text, the text-related controls should appear right away. Now look for the text box fill icon. Depending on your version of Prezi, it may look like a paint bucket or a small square fill tile. This is the option that lets you change the background fill behind the entire text box. Click that icon, and you'll see a color palette appear. From here, choose a bright color that will stand out clearly on your slide. Colors like neon yellow, light green, orange, or even a strong blue can work really well depending on the background of your presentation. As soon as you select a color, Prezi will fill the entire bounding box with that solid color. That instantly creates a block highlight effect behind your words, making the text much easier to see and helping it grab attention. This is especially useful when you want to emphasize a quote, a keyword, a call-out, or an important takeaway. If your presentation has a dark background, a bright highlight color can create a strong contrast. If your slide is lighter, you may want to choose a deeper or more saturated color so the highlight still stands out. If the text doesn't look balanced after applying the fill, you can click back into the box and adjust the text itself by changing the font size, alignment, or spacing. Sometimes a highlight looks even better when the text is a little smaller and centered neatly inside the colored box. You can also duplicate this style across other text boxes in your presentation so your design stays consistent. And that's it. You've now learned how to highlight in Prezi by changing the text box background fill. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how professional and attention-grabbing your presentation looks. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.